Ever heard of the Quetzal? It's one of the most beautiful birds on the planet and full of surprises. Quetzals have vibrant green feathers that shimmer in gold and blue, but their color isn't from pigment. It's from microscopic structures that reflect light. Their tails? Males grow ones longer than their whole body during mating season. They're expert hoverers like hummingbirds and can pluck fruit mid-air. Found in Central America's cloud forests, they're incredibly shy and hard to spot in the wild. The ancient Maya and Aztecs worshipped Quetzals. They even named a currency after them. But here's the kicker. Despite their showy feathers, Quetzals are quiet, elusive, and nearly impossible to keep in captivity. They're wild, rare, and totally magical.